Hello everyone, welcome to today's pre-market report on market wins at Cap Reads dated May 10th, 2024. In international markets, US jobless claims rose unexpectedly by 22,000, outstripping analyst predictions, which marked the first key development. Following this, the Bank of England maintained its interest rates, with its governor hinting at an impending rate cut. This news boosted sentiment across Europe, contributing to the Dow Jones rising by 0.85%, the S&P 500 by 0.51%, and Nasdaq by 0.27%. The VIX index fell by 2%, settling at 12.7. In contrast, Indian markets faced downward pressure. Major stocks like Infosys and ICICI Bank declined by around 0.7%, while Wipro and HDFC Bank fell over 1%. Despite this, the GIFT Nifty rose, indicating a potential gap-up opening of 50 to 60 points, aligning with the spot market at 22,128. On the institutional front, foreign institutional investors continued their sell-off, disposing of nearly 7,000 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors bought shares worth 5,640 crore rupees, albeit insufficient to curb the market's decline. Oil prices remained stable, with WTI crude at approximately $79 per barrel and Brent crude at $84 per barrel. In terms of market indicators, stocks like Muthoot Finance, Asian Paints, and Bajaj Finserv showed increased open interest with negative closes, suggesting short building. Conversely, companies like Sun TV Network and Mahindra showed positive price movements with increased open interest, indicating potential long positions. Several major Indian companies like Eicher Motors and Cipla are set to release their earnings today. Additionally, key data releases include the UK's GDP and manufacturing production at 12:30 p.m., followed by India's manufacturing output and the US consumer sentiment and inflation projections. On a technical note, the Nifty opened 75 points down and stayed low, closing below the critical 22000 mark, forming a long bearish candle on the daily chart. It also dipped below the 100-day moving average with a RSI value of 37, pointing to a weak trend with potential further declines. Bank Nifty, similarly, continued its downtrend, closing below 47500 and the 50-day exponential moving average. Its immediate support is at 47400, with resistance at 48000, which could trigger short covering moves if breached. For options, significant activity was noted at the 22000 strike for calls and 21900 for puts, indicating key levels of support and resistance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video to support our efforts. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as investment advice.